திருக்குறள் by S. கபிச்செல்வன். கபிச்செல்வன். நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். திருக்குறள் கற்க கசட கற்றோடு கற்பின் நிற்க கற்பதை தெளிவாக கற்றவுடன் கற்ற பின் நடந்தபடி நடக்க வேண்டும் என்று. Abbreviation by L. Gogol. Good morning to all. My name is L. Gogol. I am studying 5th standard A section. Abbreviation QRQ. Quick Response Code. SMS Short Message Service. OTP One Time Password. GST Goods and their Services Tax. CCTV Closed Circuit Television. Thank you. Proverb by A. Daspiha. Good morning to all. My name is A. Daspiha. I study 5th standard. Proverb. Education is the chief defense of a nation. பல்வேறு நாட்டில் முதலாளர். It is never too late to learn. கற்பதற்கு வயது இல்லை. Thank you. Importance days in June. Yes, Muhammad Adil. Good morning to all. My name is Muhammad Adil. Studying 5th standard. Important days in June. June 5, World Environment Day. June 8, World Oceans Day. June 12, World Day Against Child Labor. June 14, World Blood Donor Day. June 21, International Yoga Day. Thank you. First woman in India. Yes, Tamim Ansari. Good morning to all. My name is Tamim Ansari. I am studying 5th standard. First woman in India. First woman President Pratibha Patil. First woman Indira Gandhi. First woman IPS Kiran Bedi. First woman Governor Sarojini Naidu. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Sasude Imran. I am studying 5th standard. Environment Day. Environment Day is on 5th June. It reminds us to protect nature. We should keep our earth clean. We should not cut trees. We must save water. Recycle and reuse things. Use less plastic. Do not throw garbage anywhere. We should protect our environment. Thank you. Good habits by M. Abdul Wahid. Good morning to all. My name is M. Abdul Wahid. I am studying 5th standard. Good habits. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth. Do exercise. Take a bath daily. Eat healthy food. Pray to God. Listen to your teacher carefully. Don't waste water. Wash your hands. Respect and care for our elders. Thank you. Square numbers. D. Davidson. Good morning to all. My name is D. Davidson. I am studying 5th standard. Square number. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. 10 square 100. 11 square 121. 12 square 124. 13 square 169. 14 square 196. 15 square 225. Thank you. Conversations by Hashini and Jazira. Good morning to all. I am A.M. Jazira. I am all Hashini. We are studying 5th standard. Conversation. Hi Jazira, how are you? Hi Hashini, I am good. What about you? I am good. So how was your summer vacation? It was very fine. I enjoyed my time a lot. Where are you going? I visited my native village to meet my extended family there. It was huge fun. That's great. What type of fun activities you have done there? I have done lots of fun activities. I liked swimming in the pond most. I'm sure you had an amazing time. What you have done in the summer vacation? I visited one of my uncle in Kolkata. We are enjoyed. Thank you. Story by I. Jaina Parsha.
Good morning to all. My name is Aijana Vansha. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story. The title of my story is Greedy Farmer. Once a farmer had a hen that used to lay one golden egg every day. She sold those eggs and became rich. But he was not happy with one egg a day. He was greedy man. He wanted to kill the hen and take the all eggs at a time. So he killed the hen. He disappointed to find no eggs inside the hen. He was being so very sad for one egg a day. He lost the hen, did not get any more golden eggs. The moral of the story is we must be happy with what we have. Thank you.
Thought of the day, A. Rashida.
Good morning to all. My name is Sarah. I am studying in 5th standard A section. Today, thought for the day. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. Thank you.
Ida by A. Kisik.
Good morning to all. My name is Shekar. I am studying Bhagavad Gita. You are what you believe in. You that become you that